Today we will talk about the three very underrated but very powerful functions. And let me know in the comment box that did you know all those three? Okay, let's start. So first thing you can see here, I have made some graph. So did I use the graph option in the Excel? No, not at all. It's actually a function. So if I click here, you can see a function is written in the formula bar. So what it is? So the function name is rep, and what it does, it repeat whatever you want. So for example, rep, let's say Akanksha 5 times. It has repeated Akanksha for 5 times. Okay, so now what I have done here, let's say I have written 35 here, 56 here, 37 here. Okay, I'll write rep and I will take a symbol. Okay, and I will give a cell reference for the repetition, times of repetition, and I'll close it. You will see it has repeated that bar for the 35 times and so on. I will copy that function and you can see the bar has been repeated for the times it has been asked. Go and format it. Here I will use some other font. See, Ping Fang HK, it is by default you will get this font, and I will just use format painter and format the other two stuff, and voila, you can see it has formatted and you can see it's a kind of graph here. You can format in any way because it's a formula and it will get formatted in any color or any other way you want it. So this is one of the function rep. Let's come to another function. Now we will talk about a second formula which is very underrated but very powerful. It's median. So for example, you have a sale and you really want to concentrate on the sales which are above 60. Okay, anyone above 60 has to come true. Okay, so what I'll do, this is greater than 60 and this is less than 100, and I'll close it and it will give me a false. Okay, so here you can see anything above 60 is giving me true value and anything less than 60 is giving me false value. What I'll do, I can do the same thing with median, this 60 and 100, and I will just equate it with it and it will give me a true and false value. See, here it is. So basically median gives you the middle value and you can use the function in that manner. So this is one of the very useful function which normally people don't use it but can use in this manner. Let's go to third function. Third function is count the unique values. So now I have a list. You can have a long list also, same name, same product, whatever. So what you can do, if I count it and count it, it says 8. So are actually there are 8 people? No, there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4. There are actually 4 unique persons. So what formula we will use? What we will do is equal to sum 1 divided count ifs, and I will take the criteria, comma, and I will take the criteria again, and I will close one bracket for COUNTIF, I will close the second bracket for sum, and now I will use option Control Shift Enter. It will make it array formula. You can see the brackets have come up. It won't work if you type it. You have to press Control Shift Enter. This make the formula an array formula. What is array formula? It basically works in an array. So here Shivani to Mark, this range is my array. So now you can see it has given me the count of unique values. How this formula is working, we will see. I'll just use count ifs. Okay, yeah, and I will take this as my range, and again I will take this as my criteria. I will freeze my ranges because I would be dragging the formula down. So I freeze them all, and now what I'll do, I'll just drag them down. So you will see when Shivani, it has given me the count of Shivani. It's 3 times, Mark is 3 times, Oleg only once. So here it is working. Now what I'll do, I'll just divide it by 1. Okay. So if you see, when I divided it by 1, so since it's 3 times, it has been divided in 3 parts. Oleg has been 1, it's been divided, it's been 1 only. So this how this works. So when I will total this, it will give me the summation of 4. Okay. So that same formula I am doing it here in a way of array formula. Okay. So you can use the COUNTIF with the array formula, rep and median in your day-to-day life just by tweaking it. So let me know, did you know this way? And also let me know any new tweaks which you use in your Excel and make your life easy. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye. Show your love, like it, share it and subscribe it. Take care and thank you.